Hi, this is Priyankesh. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to the English Comprehension MCQ solution session. In this, I'm going to talk about the 5 question of the current session. So let's get started. So in order to solve these comprehension, first look at the questions. Okay. So here we can see that the first question is asking about the passage indicates the capitalist system. Okay, so the passage is about capitalist system, fair, prosperous, ambitious, and dehumanizing. Then it is asking question two is the established order is supported by the religion. So somewhere it is also talking about religion. Then alleviate the suffering of the poor in the capitalist system. Okay, so they are talking about alleviation poverty. Okay, and then perpetuate the injustice imposed by the capitalist system. Okay, balance of suffering of poor people with hopes of future rewards, help the tortured men to seek the redress. So overall they are talking about poor people, and it is association with capitalist system. Okay, next question is, in a capitalist system the mean justify the end. Okay, the end justify the mean endorse that why religion are strictly followed, the mean which led to exploitation are strictly prohibited. Okay, so again it is somewhere around the religion and capitalist association. Then capitalism is injurious to human relation because it divides society into two groups. So they are also talking about injurious nature of capitalism. Okay, so these are two groups which are working, non-working, exploited and exploiters, religious, illegious, and buyer and seller. And at the end, last question is, in capitalistic system of society, each man wishes. So it is talking about the wishes of man. Okay. So let's look at the passage. So this passage is all about capitalist system. So if you read the whole passage, so in order to get the first question's answer, let's look at the last line, and let's go through the whole passage. Okay, so you will realize that somewhere it is talking about degrading uh, human people. Okay, so at the end they are also talking about the like here from this line you can see that by its exploitation of human being to the limit of endurance, its concentration is on largest profit rather than production. Okay, and at the end they are also talking about thus the division of human family is done on the basis of economic circumstances. All this injurious to the division of human dignity. So somewhere they are talking about dehumanizing. So this will be our answer. Okay, next question is the established order is supported by religion too. Okay, so here, in order to solve this question, let's look at the last line. This says the system imposes injustice and the religion justifies it. So here it is not talking about the alleviation of suffering of people in the capitalist system. Here it is talking about the perpetuate the injustice imposed by the capitalist system. Balance the suffering of the poor with the hope of future reward. So they are talking about the future reward, but like in this line when here you can see that they promise future happiness for their present suffering and conjure a vision of paradise to redress balance to soothe the suffering and reward the. So they are talking, but they are not talking about the balancing. Okay, balancing the suffering. They are talking about the future happiness, but they are not talking about balancing the suffering. They help the tortured men to seek a redress. No, they are not the revolt of the tortured men. They're not helping. Okay, so B will be our right answer. Moving to next question. So it is saying that in a capitalist system, the mean justify the end justify the mean. So this is very clearly mentioned in the question. Here, if you go through this line, that uh, here the emphasis of capitalism being on the supreme importance of the material world and the intensity of its appeal to its acquisitive intensity. It promotes worship of economic power and little regard to the mean of employed for its acquisition and the end that it serves. So end it's serving is the mean. Okay, so this will be the end justifies the mean. Now, the next question: capitalism is injurious to human relation because it divides a society into two groups. So clearly, it is not religious because only religious is mentioned, and then working and non-working. They have in the same line. Just look at uh, the emphasis of capitalism being on supreme importance of material wealth and the intensity of its capital is to the exquisite intensity, and it promotes worship of economic power with little regard to employed. So there is no regard to the employed person. Okay, so that is the thing. So here they are talking about the exploited and exploiters. Okay, now not working, non-working. So this will be a right answer. Okay, and last question is in a capitalist system of society, each man wishes to. So in the very beginning, they have mentioned that the emphasis of capitalism being on supreme importance of material wealth. So they are focusing more on material wealth. So answer will be to acquire maximum. Okay. So that's all from my side in this session. Okay. If you're preparing for IGIDEA 2021 entrance exam, so you can join in our classroom program. And for free resources, you can join our Telegram group, that is IGIDEA by PTS. And you can, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.